Welcome to the channel today. We're going to be whipping up some Oklahoma onion smash burgers today. They're a burger that was made popular back in the Depression, 1920s and 30s in Oklahoma. Meat was high, onions were cheap and plentiful. Alright, get started. Take an onion, slice it thin as you can, real thin. Use a mandolin if possible. Here I have a purple onion. That's because that's what I had in the house. Traditionally, it was used with a white or yellow onion, but you want to make sure you get it sliced. You get your onions. When you get your onions cut up, you want to put them in a colander and let them drain into a bowl. Put some salt on there to draw the moisture out. You want them as dry as you can. You're going to pat them dry in a towel or paper towel. Get all that moisture off there after they're through. But you let that sit there while you're getting the rest of the ingredients ready. You're going to roll your meat into equal sized balls and just leave them round while your pan's heating up. When it gets hot, throw some butter in, a couple of pats of butter in there, and let that melt. Then you put your patties in there and you smash them with the spatula. Smash them down flat. Smash them good. Then you take your onions and you pile them on high, pile them on thick. Cover all the meat up. You don't want to see that meat hardly at all. And you let them cook for a few minutes, 3-5 minutes, however long it takes for the thickness of the meat that you have. Then you're going to put your hand on top of the onion and flip them. And put that onion on the bottom. Then you're going to take your hamburger buns, bottom side down on top of the meat, put the top side on top of that, and let them just sit there with the meat cooking. While it's cooking, they're soaking up the onion flavor that's coming up off of it. Man, it's smelling good in the house. You're going to love it. After they've cooked a while and you think the meat's about done, you take the hamburger buns off, put them on the plate, and get you a couple of slices of the cheap American cheese. Cheap melts better. It's going to make it taste good. And you put that and you let that melt on there. When it gets melted good, take it off, scoop up the onions and the meat together, lay it on that bun, get you some pickles on top, get you some mustard and put on there, whatever condiment you like, and you put it on there, and man, it's going to be good. You slice that in half and you can just see the juices. It's good. You are going to love it. Try this one at home. Man, everybody in the house is going to love it. It's phenomenal. It tastes great. One of the best burgers I think I've ever made. I will be making them again. Bear in mind, this is my first time doing it. So if I can do it, you can too. Please like, subscribe, and I'll get back with you soon. Thank you.